Okay, what about this? What about this? I'm gonna do for you for 200. Just leave me a very good recommendation with the company. The lateness and stuff, they know about it. Just be like, he was a cool guy, he did his job, nice guy, and stuff like that. No bullshit, though. You gotta do it right now.
Right now?
Just be like, hey, the guy that came.
You want me to call
cool,
him?
he left. Please.
Okay, my phone's dead, first of all.
Okay, you're gonna do it later, though?
Yes, I'm gonna do it later.
Okay, y'all, 200. Let's do it.
You have the phone later? Yeah, hands off. I have all of it.
Thank you so much, and have a good night.
Thanks for your help.
Thank you.
See you later.
Bye, have a good night.
Hey, you guys should switch your keys.
Already got that
I'm dead. He said you guys should. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Because he's gonna charge.
Like another like 20, 30
Did you really
bucks.
think I was like gonna let him hustle me? Fuck that shit. Are you guys just Lyft drive?
What?
Are you guys just Lyft drive?
Yeah.
No.
That shit's so fucking.
You got it?
I got it.
God, it smells like shit in here.
Oh shit, my phone's on fire. I'm gonna put this here.
No, it smells like onions. Can you spray that shit in here? Okay. Maggie ate spinach. What? Yeah, you the last time I ate something in here. You want to eat something? How do I keep it moving?
From the looks of it, it looks like he actually did, but it's nothing really serious. But just so you guys know, you should probably look at it.
Okay.
Just so when you move out, they're not like, hey, you don't know. It's just a little bit of,
So I'm not showing you the warning. I just have to grab my phone.
a little bit of sheetrock here. It looks like he used his. He kind of broke it and it fell in. So
It's damaged.
it's
Do you think
not
are they
bad.
gonna say anything when
Plus
she
it's
moves
this
out?
right here, which is something very minor. Like, just so you can annotate it, because sometimes they won't say anything or take it serious, and sometimes they'll say, "Hey, that's gonna cost the army your life."
Yeah.
You know, they'll act like just because maybe you don't know, they'll act like you have to fix this whole thing right now.
Okay,
It's
gotcha.
not really bad.
That guy must have been so mad.
Yeah, he kind of stood at the end of the hallway and started talking shit.
What was he saying?
Well, he was just like stretching, like, I couldn't hear him because I'm right here. You know?
You're shit. Are you fucking paying $200 for fucking that pump? Are you kidding me?
I don't know how much locksmiths are in general, so I don't know how much they are.
Well, I dealt with a similar company, and they ended up actually robbing a friend of mine
Oh my god.
for $200, and they almost ran her over.
Low key, I don't trust armies.
Well,
Like,
that's why I came in, because I saw that. So.
nah, like that's, I don't know. Like my grandpa, he has like a construction company, and he gets so sketched out. Like he was getting papers done in his driveway, and like the company rolled up in like two Lexuses, and then like got out, and he was so fucking paranoid. He's like, no, he's like, I'm not here. Like I'm leaving. Like, don't let them in. I'm like, what the fuck, this crazy ass guy. Literally wouldn't work with them because they were Armenian.
Yeah. No, you can just go ahead. Yeah.
Like, but you don't have to put it anywhere specifically, but like make it nice.
You make a left.
Oh my god, that was crazy.
Yeah.
That was crazy. You were about to throw hands with that guy.
Hands down.
You were literally about to throw hands with Armenian. I'm.
My mom was.
You were about to. Oh, not when you go to the Louis store though. You're bitch ass. I'm dead.
Start yelling at you, honestly.
I know. I was waiting. I was waiting for him to lose it. That was. I couldn't believe that. Yeah, he seemed sketchy as fuck though. Like I was like.
Honestly, I thought that's why I checked it right now, because I thought he was just him trying to do
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah,
see if he
just
could
get it open. Yeah, he was sketchy a little bit. I'm surprised he didn't yell at you.
Me?
Yeah, I'm shook. I'm shook. I don't know how much do locksmiths usually cost though? Because it was like $15 on that. I was like, what?
Honestly, I feel like he overcharged you.
Yeah, hands down.
Yeah, for sure.
But at this point, well, even then we couldn't really do anything because that's his price, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's late as fuck, I'll say.
Yeah.
But I did wait forever for him.
Yeah, we literally I called him at like 3 something.
I don't even know how many times I called him in total.
We called him so many fucking times. It was ridiculous. But nah. We're in.
Mozzie, this shit you right here.
What? Oh my god, I was so drunk. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I took my vegan things and I dropped them right in there. I was like, and
I'm like so OCD.
I was gonna tell you, like, I will clean that in the morning along with the dishes. Like, even though I didn't do most of those, I don't care though, I'll do it. But, oh my god, I was so drunk. I dropped it everywhere. Oh, there's parsley everywhere too.
I wanna know.
I got you, girl. In the morning, I'll get it.
You guys enjoy the rest of your.
Thanks for helping us.
Thank you for helping us make.
I
But
thought I was gonna have to climb. I got mentally prepared.
you to climb up.
Low-key, I would have been happier with a climb.
That would have been free.
I would have left you a nice tip. I don't know, 200 fucking bucks up in this shit.
Oh my god, that was ridiculous.
Was this door open?
That was open. That's why I said, can Jordan climb? Because Jordan has like the upper body strength to climb.
Yeah, it's a long drop. I've dropped things. That's a long drop. I've thrown dropped things off of there on accident. Like pizza crust and biodegradable things. Nothing crazy. Not like bottles or anything. I'm not. Yeah, like
Somebody comes to pick it up, not me.
I know. I was gonna say like people. If I employ people like the people that come down there, like there wouldn't be a market for them to like be constantly cleaning if nobody threw shit off their balconies.
Everybody?
So I like to think of it as like I'm doing justice. I'm stabilizing the economy. Oh my gosh. Okay.
I don't want nobody
Oh yeah. No worries. Have a good night.
Come, one of y'all come be weird downstairs.
Go.
Like, I'm freaking bored.
Oh, you're bored. Where are you at? Like downstairs and what?
That's why I'm like even talking to you guys because I'm so.
We'll stir havoc downstairs at some point.
Alright.
Okay. Have a good
Make sure
night.
you blow up something.
Oh, go blow me up. Got it. That was ridiculous. I can't believe that fucking happened. That was fuckery. This entire thing has been fuckery. Yeah, he was flirting for sure. Wait, okay, I don't know what to get over the fact that all happened, but we discovered something. The Armanis live in this building. The Armanis live in this building. This building. The Armani, they live in this building. We literally ran that white guy. Yeah. That was their friend. Like they were trying to invite us up, and they're like, "Oh yeah, we have drugs, we have everything you want." I'm like,
He lives in this building?
yeah.
Oh shit.
Like the most of the family, like they all live up here. Is that? They're trying to get us to go up there. I was so down. I was like, I'm so done with this locksmith guy. Like I'm down to avoid responsibilities and go up there.
Yeah, Kat was like, we're gonna go to the room, and I was like, dude, I'm gonna
Yeah, like. Shut up.
go down and look at them. Kat, I don't know where to put all this up.
Anyways, this has been an interesting night. I need to wash my face and breathe. And stuff. Your what? Who touched your what? The Armenian?
I was not gonna pay him anything more than $200.
What was his price?
He was trying to get me to pay almost fucking $300.
No way. To what? What was it? What was he trying to get you to pay? To what?
Almost over $300.
What was that? What was his final price? Like 3 what?
He's like $239. I was like, no, I'm gonna give you $200. That's it.
Yeah.
And that's that. And who fucking won that argument? You. I did, bitch. People think they can test me. Oh my god, I see fucking fingerprints off this mirror. I'm so done with you guys. I'm literally done with all of you.
You're done with me? I'm like, bitch, what did I do?
You can touch your mirror. Oh my god, I have a UTI. Bible.
Yeah, she does.
Hurts so bad.
And she's peeing like every fucking 2 seconds.
You think it's from drink?
Did you get a UTI from fucking a guy? Or?
Yeah, you can get UTI just from fucking.
Really?
Yeah.
No. What else do you get UTIs from? Like not wiping correctly, or like what kind of stuff?
How can you get a UTI, Kat?
Like when bacteria gets in your.
So you can just wipe wrong and get one.
Anything.
You
Yeah,
can get-
if you wipe from front,
Mm-hmm.
you can get bacteria because you're supposed to wipe from back to front or whatever. Or front to back or whatever. So there's a lot of things like this going on.
So when you have a UTI, what can't you do? You're not supposed to have sex if you have.
It's not that you can't do anything. It's just that when you have sex, like it'll hurt really fucking bad. It feels like your vagina is torn apart.
Cat.
Which is really painful, you know.
Never had one. Huh. That doesn't sound fun. Did you just get it, Kat?
Yeah, literally just about tonight.
I was gonna say, I'm like, you weren't bitching about it till tonight. Mm-hmm. Oh my god, you cut. Hold on, let's take a moment. I stole this from the fucking club. I don't know how I took this from the club. I was so... I know, it's way too hot. This bitch. Trying to throw the toilet paper at me.
I'm gonna throw your keys away.
Throw the keys away. I can't get to my... I have to move my car before 10.
Your car?
Yeah, because fucking Jordan took my spot. That's my spot.
So technically it's like you have to be with.
Yeah. I might go down just to look from all the people leaving work early. If anyone left a spot open. I'm not Armenian. That's so trippy though. I had no idea that Armani's lived here. That's so fucking crazy.
That's crazy.
That's wild. I was so down to go up there because I was like, fuck this locksmith guy. Just because we're waiting for the fucking locksmith guy, and it seemed like he's here a lot, so I'm sure he'll like invite us like tomorrow or some shit. Like he don't give a fuck.
Do you think 200 was a good deal?
I have no idea how much locksmiths cost,
I've never had to do
but considering it was $15 online, I'm a little like, yeah. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know though how much it is. I'm for sure gonna pay attention next time I hear about a lot.
Right?
I low-key think they saw the area, and they're like, oh, this bitch can pay. This bitch can pay.
What? There's one that's like literally blood in there.
From what? Is that you? Aren't you on your period?
No, I ended.
Then why is there blood in the toilet? Oh, what's wrong, Kat?
Fuck, I for sure have a UTI, dude. Oh my god.
What do you? Oh, you.
Oscar.
Fucking Oscar. He has nothing to do with it.
So bad.
Yeah, he's livid. That
It's funny.
you.
He hit me up literally like the next day.
Oh my gosh. Dude, you know what someone just said on Periscope? He said, he said, better not forget the keys. Like, this beach better not forget the keys next time. Someone on Periscope. I don't know why that was so funny, but it was. Okay, I'm gonna go. Because we're inside now. And yeah.
Is this Rimmel London your shit, Tina? Huh? The Rimmel London foundation?
Everyone, have a fabulous night.
Yeah, that's mine.
Don't get locked out. Careful where you put your keys. Careful whose keys you're taking. And yeah, we let that out. They're over there talking. Bye, beach. Oh my god. Oh damn, it looks like a crime scene in there. But in handprints. Okay, guys. Okay. I'm so mad I have to move my car. Grr. I get this makeup off, so I gotta go. See you guys later. Bye.